we've got something special for you this makeup month. I know as a type 2, you will appreciate this. We have created 3-color eyeshadow kits. We have 3 different collections. We have put together a beautiful combination. I'm going to show you how to apply them with special techniques and tips to create a full face makeup look. This will take the guesswork out of knowing what to wear. You're going to love it. The first 3-color shadow kit I'll be playing with is beautiful neutral browns. We have a new matte brown that's more of a medium, really true brown that we'll be playing with. I'm going to start with the lightest color, which is a soft pink. I'll be using a big, nice angled blender brush and just tapping into that and getting it all over my eye. Now I already have my eye primer on, which it's just a must for me. I've noticed the difference over the years of using it and not using it. Didn't take me years to notice it. It took me about one time to notice and I was sold. So I use it now consistently. Okay, next I'm gonna tap into this matte brown. It's nutmeg, and these 2 are matte, and then the middle one is a shimmer. And you'll find that you may like 2 mattes to 1 shimmer, depending on the look you're going for. This is an everyday look, and so usually mattes are gonna tend towards more of a casual everyday look. I'm using our angle shadow brush and just got that real nice and concentrated on the tip, and I'm going to go right above the crease. This is just a very traditional application. I'm not going all the way over because too much dark will create too much shadow, which will close your eye. So I'm doing it about halfway through and out, getting a little bit wider. I have more of a hooded eye, and so I like to really bring it up because then once I open my eye, it gets hidden. When I put on my eyeshadow, I'm like that. When I'm normal, it's all relaxed and can get hidden. So just double check that. Sometimes I'll even relax my eye when I am applying and see where does it need just a little bit more. Feels like I'm putting on a lot, but I'm talking a lot, so it keeps me going. All right, now I've got my 2 main colors, 2 matte colors on. I'm going to top it off with Soufflé, which is kind of a combination of both, bringing in the pinks and the browns together. This is a must-have, wear everyday kind of color, wear with anything kind of color. Going back to the big fluffy angle brush, tapping it in, and I'm just going to whoosh it over. And this is where I think the magic type 2 really comes out. Can you see how much softer, more elegant that this eye looks than the one that doesn't have that finished blender, shimmer, beautiful, elegant on top of it? Just being real liberal, kind of a back and forth blending. Use your finger if you need to even it out. I'm just gonna go in and add a little bit more concentration right there and just soften it up. I like to use similar colors, one in a matte, one in a shimmer, which I think just really creates a yummy combination. That was an Anna K word, a yummy combination. So that's it. So easy for this everyday neutral brown look. Now let's finish it off with a liner and mascara. Just an everyday brown liner, going a little bit thicker on the outsides, bringing it down once I get to the middle, just keeping it real nice and easy. This look is just gonna accentuate and thicken your lashes. Now I'll top it off with the chocolate mascara, then we'll complete the look. The eyes are done. I've added the mascara, and I also added the cheeks. I went with our neutral brown Poly, and lips. We have a beautiful new brown. Vienna makes me want to take a vacation. So beautiful. It's just a rich, luxurious brown. This neutral makeup palette will look great with most everything in your closet. Maybe not grays, because brown and gray, I don't know if that, I would probably choose blues to wear with that, but purples and pinks and greens, even some of your oranges and reds that you have somewhere in your wardrobe, mauves, this would look gorgeous with, deep plums. So master this look if you're going to choose one out of the 3, just to really have that everyday look. You will love this makeup palette. This 3-color eyeshadow kit features purples and a taupey gray. So gorgeous. I'm going to apply this in a really fun way. I'm taking our matte purple. I'm going to put that stripey stripe. We're going to create a Neapolitan look. I'm using our firm shadow brush. I've got the eye primer on, so it's going to hold it really good. I'm getting all this on. Probably should have tap that off because I'm getting a little bit of fallout. We'll do that for the next one. I'm going to keep using the same brush, and I'm going to go into this After Hours purple shimmer. Let's get both sides. I think I was going to do better if I just tap. I'm going to do the shimmer in the middle. So you can duplicate this look with different colors. If you have the shimmer, put the shimmer in the middle, because then you'll see when I blend it, it'll get all over. Okay, I might have gone just a little too high. Stay on that occipital bone. Is that what Callista told me it was called? She's like the encyclopedia, type 4 encyclopedia. So we're just going to work from here down. Stripe, light, shimmer, dark. So just clean that off a little bit. Okay, now we're going to go into a Gunsmoke. And this is a beautiful, kind of more of a grayish, like, what do they call it? Taupe and gray together, like a grope. That's a terrible name. We'll just call it a gray taupe. Okay. This looks so sloppy and bad, right? But it's kind of a fun, different way to apply for a different look. Now we're going to make the magic happen with our big blender brush. Get off any residue that might be on there. Swish it back and forth. And now the blending on the other side as well. We're going to blend this guy in a little bit more. Make his line a little bit broader. So it's a little bit like a corner. We're bringing it into there. That feels a little bit more natural in the shading. And just like that, you've got your beautiful smoky purple eye. Let's top it off with a purple liner. Let's keep that magic going. This is Aura, beautiful, deep, clean purple. Just a real classic line here. I'm going to take this same firm shadow brush. It's not our liner brush, but since we've got it handy, we're just going to use the tip of it. Just blend it in. This is a really, with this technique, we're creating a really smoky, blended, diffused look, which is so pretty for us type 2s. And then we're going to drag it under on the bottom lashes as well, just a little corner to extend that. So pretty. Let's top it off with some mascara, cheeks, and lips. Ta-da! Voila! While off camera, I learned that taupe already means gray and brown together. So disregard any made-up names, and we'll go with taupe. So this beautiful taupe and purple palette is so elegant on. I just love this look. And I've paired it with pinks, Barely Mauve blush, Kate lipstick. I feel like that just, those like classic type 2 pinks really create a soft look that become a little more understated, more subtle, and the eyes can really do the popping. So this is a look that you could wear obviously with purple, lilac, dark browns. This would be really lovely with grays, navies, even green, because greens and purples are complementary to each other. And so this would just be a really fun one that's easy to do. Again, we're just working with 3 eyeshadow colors, and so these are all easy enough, but try this technique and see how it feels to just really get that blendy, soft, diffused look. This color palette features a navy blue and some plums. It comes together so beautifully. We're going to use one brush for all 3 colors. This is a nice big fat blender brush that comes to a soft point, and we'll use that point very specifically. We're going to start, this is a new color. It's a light matte pink. Pink and blue are just some of my favorite colors together to wear in my outfits and on my makeup. So just using that light wash all over, you can tell that just adds a nice soft brightness. Now we're going to dip into the matte blue. This is a dark blue, and you might be scared. How do I use this? We're going to make it really soft and diffused, fluffy, kind of. Think fluffy as you apply it. Use the tip of this soft brush. You want to just angle it in. Now you could use a crease brush if you prefer a little more control. And we're just going to maybe just kind of swirl, tap, just get it concentrated. And just go right across above the crease. Just kind of creating a soft, straight line. Now, I want a little more color. So I'm actually going to swipe right on that tip. Again, keeping it concentrated. Creating a, I'm going to close my eyes. I'm just kind of going right across to there. Okay. Now, when you open your eyes, you might need to bring it a little bit higher. When you're applying your eyes and you have your makeup face on and everything's extended, it might look like a lot of color, but when you relax, it's going to feel a lot more natural. Now I'm going into a middle color. This is a classic type 2 color. You may have this. We've sold this for a very long time. It's Magnificent Mauve. This is, I always go back to this color. It is a beautiful combination of the plums and mauves that we type 2 wears so well. It goes with grays, browns, blues, and everything in between. So just a classic color. You're going to be a little more liberal with how you cover the brush. Don't have to be so specific. And a little bit softer, less exact in your application. Because it's more of a medium, got a little bit of shimmer. And you're just going to go over the blue. So we have light to dark, topping it off with the medium. And you can see when those colors come together, it creates a really pretty purpley, plummy, bluey color. I won't try and name this one. And for my eyeliner, I'm going to keep the blue going. Rather than using an eyeliner, I'm going to dip back into this shadow. You can even get it a little bit wet. That will give it a little bit more staying power and deepen the color. And using this liner brush, it's going to create a soft look. Soft, diffused, blended. Those are all magnificent type 2 words that you can really capitalize on in your makeup. This makeup is so easy because all the colors are already decided for you. We're showing you the techniques to use it, and boom, boom, just apply it on. I did a little bit underneath as well. Now I'll finish off with my lips, cheeks, and mascara. I finished off the eye look with our navy mascara. It's so nice. It goes on with a light application, extending the eyelashes in such a nice feathery way. I did the cheeks with Bella, which has a little bit of that purpley undertones. And my lips, I used a new color, Damage Control. It is a beautiful, deep, plummy purple. And the whole look comes together so beautifully. It's fun to play with a little more color as a type 2, but this is just so classic. You could really wear this look with light blues and dark blues and purples. Dip into even some soft creams. Some deep grays would be really lovely with this look. You will love these 3 color palettes that we have created for you. It takes the guesswork out. When you get into your makeup routine, you'll know exactly what to pull for, and it will be out of the humdrum in the rut. You'll be able to create some beautiful out-of-the-box looks with these 3 color makeup palettes.